Hey, what's going on? Garrett here. Now, what I want to do is share with you a way that you can start making money online in 2020. Now, on the screen right now, you can see some of the results that I've been able to generate into my Stripe account. Now, with the opportunity I'm going to be sharing in this video, you can choose how you want to get paid, whether you want to use PayPal, whether you want to use MoneyGram. I personally like using Stripe because they will give you the money within a day, and it's really easy to use. Now, in this day, in a single day, I was able to generate $1,250, okay? And then this day here, I made $550. And what I want to ask you is, how would your life change if you could learn a very simple 30 to 60 minute a day formula that would allow you to earn hundreds, if not thousands of dollars every single week, right? What would you do with that money? Would you pay off bills? Would you travel more? Would you buy nice things for you and your family? Well, that's what you want to think about, because as you can see right here on my Facebook, okay, the other day I was actually going to a nice nature walk, and while I was walking around, I was able to still make money. See, the beautiful thing about the business that I'm going to be sharing with you as you keep watching this video is, if you set this up, you can actually have the business and the system do the work for you, okay? Now, what exactly are we doing? Well, there's gonna be a button or a link directly below in the underneath this video. When you click that and head to my website, you're gonna get full details on exactly how this simple and easy business works. But basically, all we do is copy and paste ads on social media, and when people respond to those ads, we send them our done for you website, and then the website will do all the selling, all the telling for you. This is a direct sales opportunity. Now, the great thing about this opportunity is you can earn 100% instantly paid commissions. Okay, so the beautiful thing is, you can actually promote the exact program that I'm promoting, and you can start to generate these commissions even on autopilot. As I mentioned in this post, see, I took a screenshot, and these sales, okay, a few days ago at the time of recording, I made multiple sales that day, okay? And again, this is just using the same business that myself and people from all over the world that are brand new in many cases that have, been quietly using. So again, there's going to be a link. Go to that link if you're interested. If you're someone that's maybe been researching for a long time, you've been watching different YouTube videos, you've been, on Facebook, you've been seeing different things, and you don't know which one to do. A lot of them take a lot of work, a lot of previous experience. You need to have some insane technical ability. I've been online, and you can see right here on my Facebook profile, I'm followed by over 8,000 people. I'm not new to, making money online. I'm not new to helping other people. And you can see from all these people that are, inspired by what I'm doing, over 130 people on this post, liked 5 shares, okay? So I'm definitely priding myself on being able to take people from where they are and really simplifying the process. And again, once you get access to this business, you're going to have all the tools and resources. You're going to get your own done for you website that you can start sharing with people that will make sales for you. And once you make a sale, you will get instant paid commissions up to $2,000 with this business, because it's a lot easier to hit an income goal when you can make $2,000 per referral than $25 per referral, right? So I just wanted to share an update. These results have been coming in. If I log into my Gmail, you're going to see that, $25, $250, a $500 payment, $2,500, $500, okay, $1,000 commission. So these commissions are coming in on a daily basis, and I want to invite you to also be able to do the same thing. I was a college dropout. I didn't have any previous experience when I got started online. I was slaving away for minimum wage as a waiter. And I really was looking for a way to do this in about an hour or less a day so I could have the free time to do the things I love to do with the people I love doing it with. So again, take action. If you want full details on this business, go down to my website, check this out right now, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Take care.